Patrick at Pals. Well, we got the Le Mans back in. Engine's on the crane. It's going to go down into the engine compartment. You can see Jim's got the flex ring here, ready to go on the back. And this is the back of the engine. And of course, then the transmission will go on. And everything will be dropped down into the car. Jim, are you going to put the tranny on first, or are you going to put it on later?
I'm just going to drop the headers and engine in because it's a Pontiac. They're kind of a pain in the butt. So I have to set the headers in while I put the engine in. And then when I get the engine bolted in, then we'll rack it and put the transmission up from underneath.
And folks, the reason Jim said that headers are a problem with these is because of the design of the heads. You can see the exhaust comes out toward the bottom. Now, if this was a Chevy small block, for instance, the exhaust would come straight out of the head. On the Pontiacs and Oldsmobiles, it drops down. So it's a much more difficult way to put together an engine with headers. Even cast iron exhaust manifolds are a problem with these engines. And of course, the other day, I showed you about this engineering on the water pump. Everything's a little bit different, you know. 60 years is a long time. Cars today are much different than they were in 1968. If you've got a 68 Pontiac Le Mans convertible, bring it to Pals. See you soon.